Hello guys, welcome back to How to Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to remove age restriction on YouTube. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your YouTube app, and once you do that, you want to click on your profile picture on the top right corner of your screen. Click on that. It will bring you here, then click on settings, then click on general, and you have age restricted mode. Mine is turned off. If yours is on, you can just switch it off. So you just switch it off and you can view age restricted. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on manage your account. So you click on your profile again and click on manage your Google account. Then click on personal info and scroll down to your birthday. So you have your birthday here, and what you want to do is change it so that you are above 18 years old. So if you are less than 18 years old, all you have to do is switch the date, and you will be able to view restricted content on YouTube. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, be sure to leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.